Welcome to Raaonline. Today we will discuss about the testis and epididymis. Competencies for today's topic will be describe, demonstrate the coverings, internal structure, site determination, blood supply, nerve supply, lymphatic drainage and descent of testis with its applied anatomy. And next competency will be describe the parts of epididymis. And next will be explain the anatomical basis of varicocele. Let's go into the topic. So the testis, as you all know, it is a male gonad like a ovary in female. So usually we tend to confuse with the spelling of testis. Sometimes we write it as T-E-S-T-I-S. Sometimes we write it as T-E-S. So the T-I-S is testis is singular. T-E-S is plural form of testis. So this is very important with regards to the spelling of testis and testis. So this testis is a mobile organ and it is suspended into the scrotal sac by the corresponding spermatic cord. So here you can see the cut end of spermatic cord. So the spermatic cord suspends the testis within the scrotal sac. And the function of testis will be production of spermatozoa and the secretion of testosterone hormone, which is an endocrine function of the testis. So this testosterone hormone helps in the development of secondary sexual character. So that is about the introduction of testis. Now coming to the shape and size of the testis, as you see here, the testis is oval in shape or ellipsoidal and it is compressed laterally or side to side it is compressed so that it will have a anterior and posterior border and right and left surfaces. So the length, if we see, it is 5 cm in length, the breadth will be 2.5 cm and the anteroposterior distance is 3 cm. This is about the dimensions of testis. Now coming to the external feature of testis, see here the testis has upper pole and lower pole. So it has two poles and two borders. As you see here, the anterior border, posterior border. As it is compressed laterally, it will have two surfaces. One surface will be the lateral and other one will be the medial surface. So these are the parts of testis. So each testis will have two poles or two ends and it will have two borders and two surfaces. So let's see about the each parts. If you see the upper pole, so this upper pole is overlapped by other structure known as epididymis. And this upper pole of testis is connected to the spermatic cord. And here you can see some projection and this is known as appendix of testis. So these three features are present in the upper pole of testis. Upper pole of testis is related to the head of the epididymis and it is connected to the spermatic cord and it bears the appendix of testis. If we see the anterior border, it is rounded and it will be covered by a covering of testis that is known as tunica vaginalis. We will see about that later. If you see the posterior border, it is a somewhat straight border and it will be partly covered by this tunica vaginalis and it provides attachment to the rest of the epididymis. Head is attached to the upper pole, the rest of the part of epididymis will be attached to the posterior border. And we have the medial and lateral surface of testis which will be smooth. So these are all the parts of the testis.